my name is Anya and today I want to show you how to make candied lemon peel. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Cut 2 lemons into quarters. Remove the fleshy parts of the fruit, as well as the pith. That white part is separating the skin from the fleshy insides of the fruit. Remove as much as possible. Cut your lemon skins into strips. Place a saucepan over medium heat. Add in 1 cup of water. Add in your lemon strips and bring to the boil. Boil for 30 seconds, then strain. Repeat this process by filling a saucepan with 1 cup of water, adding in your lemon peels, and bringing to the boil. Boil for 30 seconds and drain again. Then to a pot, add in 2 cups of water. Add in 330 ml of sugar. Bring to the boil and stir until the sugar has dissolved. Add in your lemon peels. And simmer for 60 to 90 minutes. To know when these peels are ready, the peels will go translucent. Remove from the heat and strain. Place onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Allow to cool for 15 minutes. Then roll each lemon peel into a 1/4 cup of sugar. Allow to dry for 2 to 3 hours. And enjoy some lemon peel, which can be used for decorations or just like that. Enjoy!